Halo, halo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun semuanya. Sehat-sehat semua ya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Alhamdulillah teman-teman, saat ini saya sama Iqbal ya. Kalau teman-teman lihat casingnya Indonesia teman-teman. Tapi Iqbal lahir besar di Amerika, betul Iqbal?
Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Oke. So kita akan ngobrol sama Iqbal ya. Saya nggak tahu dia bisa bahasa Indonesia apa enggak gitu ya. Kita lihat mungkin agak mix atau bagaimana ya, kita ngobrol aja sama Iqbal ya. So Iqbal,
Yes.
orang tua Iqbal asli Indonesia.
Yeah.
Bapak dari mana?
Aceh.
Aceh.
Ya.
Ibu dari mana?
Bengkulu.
Bengkulu.
Ya.
Tapi Iqbal lahir besar di sini,
Yeah, New Hampshire.
New Hampshire. Tahun berapa itu?
June 17th, 2006.
17 Juni 2006.
Yeah.
Berarti umur Iqbal sekarang berapa?
19.
19. Kuliah? College?
Yeah, I'm in community college right now, studying computer science.
Oke. Iqbal mungkin suara bisa agak besar kali ya. your volume it's
It's low?
yeah, it's a little bit high, so
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Kuliah ambil apa Iqbal?
Computer science?
Computer science, oke.
Yeah.
Iqbal bisa bahasa Indonesia nggak?
Tidak.
Tidak? Come on, man.
Barely.
Oke. So di rumah waktu kecil pakai bahasa apa sama orang tua?
It was kind of like a mix, but, Bahasa and then English.
Oke.
I mean, at home sometimes my mom, she speaks English.
Your mom,
Yeah.
and then
And my dad, he speaks also English. Well, he tries to speak English, but
oke.
he's more stronger speaking Bahasa.
Oke. Tapi kalau orang tua kasih perintah itu pakai bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa Inggris? Kalau give you order, they give you order with bahasa or English?
Both. Usually.
Both.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's like random.
They mix.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you have to speak English at work, so like sometimes you come home speaking English, or if it's like a day off, they'll just speak Indo all day.
Oke. So teman-teman, bagaimana saya bisa ketemu Iqbal ya? Sambil kuliah itu Iqbal kerja part time di tempat saya gitu ya. Nah cuma kita awalnya agak kaget nih, soalnya casingnya Indonesia tapi nggak bisa bahasa Indonesia teman-teman gitu. So kita baru tahu kemudian bahwa dia warga negara Amerika tapi memang anak Indonesia yang lahir besar di sini. So Iqbal, are you US citizen or Indonesian?
Yeah, I'm a U.S. citizen.
So
Since I was born here.
So you're US citizen, right?
Yeah.
All right. So susah nggak sih Iqbal lahir? Sorry, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, just say you don't understand, okay?
Okay.
So I will repeat in English, okay? But karena kita punya viewers ada di Indonesia, so saya akan pakai bahasa Indonesia, ya.
Yeah.
Susah nggak buat Iqbal gitu ya, lahir besar dari orang tua yang Indonesia, tapi kemudian tumbuh besar di Amerika Iqbal?
Say that again.
Okay,
Sorry.
okay. Do you have any issue? You know, you're born from Indonesian family, but you're born and raised in America. I mean, like a so culture maybe or something like that. Do you have any issue with that?
Growing up, I didn't really I didn't really know much of the culture since America is predominantly white.
Yep.
But thankfully, the area I was raised in, there's a lot of Indos.
Oh,
so, yeah.
Okay.
Majority of them are from Manado.
Manado.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. I have so many Manados here in New Hampshire, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's actually a big community of Indonesians in Somersworth.
Oh,
And yeah,
banyak nggak sih anak-anak yang second generation di sini yang seusia
Oh.
Iqbal itu?
yeah, there's a lot.
Oh ya?
Yeah.
They speak bahasa or just like you, English
Oh.
only,
Some of them can speak Bahasa really good. Some of them
just
can't.
like you.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, then sorry, are you Muslim, right?
Yeah.
Oke.
And you know,
Susah nggak sih Iqbal tumbuh sebagai seorang Muslim, anak Muslim nih ya, dengan keluarga Muslim, terus di sekolah dengan
Iya.
teman-teman yang
yeah,
Yeah.
because being a Muslim, you have to pray 5 times a day.
ya,
And at first, that was kind of hard.
Yep.
And also the food as well,
the food, ya,
because I know some people they eat zabiha, some people they don't.
Okay.
Everybody's different.
alright. Oh,
But I mean, like depending on the area where you live in America,
ya.
like some cities might have more halal options,
Mhm.
and some might not. Like if you go to New York City,
Ya, New York, ya.
there's like an abundance of halal food.
Halal food, ya.
Okay.
Oke.
Compared to New Hampshire.
New Hampshire, you have no choice, right?
I mean, there's some spots, but
Ya.
it's not too many.
Oke. Waktu sekolah gimana Iqbal? Teman-teman yang Western people, I mean white people, because New Hampshire is banyak kulit putih di sini kan ya.
Yeah.
Pernah mengalami rasis nggak sih? Sebagai
Oh.
anak Asia, anak-anak imigran gitu.
Not really, because I mean now, like everybody's more open-minded.
Ya, thank God. Yeah, that's good for us, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But personally, me, I haven't experienced anything racist, but I know some of my friends have,
Yeah.
and I don't have too much to say about that, but
Oke. Iqbal pernah ke Indonesia?
2 times. I think one time when I was kecil,
Yeah.
and then one time maybe like a few years ago.
2-3 years ago?
No, like a few, like maybe.
Okay.
Actually, no, like a long time ago. I think.
Okay. Before pandemic?
Yeah.
Alright.
Maybe 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Pas ke Indonesia kemana aja?
First went to Aceh,
Oh.
and then after that, first we went to Jakarta
Aha.
because you have to get around using plane,
Ya.
and then from Jakarta we went to Aceh. And then we were there for like a good month or 2, and then after that we went to Bengkulu for 2 weeks.
Bengkulu. Okay. Your mom's house.
Yeah.
So you meet your grandpa, grandma.
Yeah, and I met a lot of my cousins and stuff like that. I met the neighbors; they were nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There was a wall room pretty close, so I could get candy.
Oh.
I love candy. And there was also a warnet, so I could play games, something like that.
Okay. Okay. Talking about Indonesia, kan di sini kita sangat disiplin ya. Maksudnya semua serba rapi, well organized, right?
Yeah.
For example, the traffic. Pertama kali Iqbal nyampe Indonesia gimana? Lihat traffic.
Yeah, the
seperti itu.
traffic is like a war zone. There's like no rules. Everybody's just driving like crazy. And, it's dangerous, But
And in Indonesia we have so many motorcycle, right?
yeah.
Oke. Waktu ke Indonesia udah punya SIM belum?
Say that again?
When you went to Indonesia, 2017, you have your license already or not?
No, I was like maybe like
Oh yeah,
13,
13.
12.
Okay.
Yeah. I was
So-
pretty young.
Lahir dari orang tua Indonesia, tapi Iqbal lahir besar di Amerika ya. You feel more Indonesian or you feel you're American?
I'm not gonna lie, I feel more American
Okay.
because like you can tell the difference between a kid my age,
Yeah.
who moved from Indonesia,
Yep.
and then somebody who was born in America. Like you can tell the difference.
Yeah. Yeah. Their
Yeah.
mindset different. Yeah.
Yeah, and also like the way I pronunciate Indonesian words,
Yeah.
like you can tell there's accent.
Yeah. All right. So you feel more that you're American.
Yeah.
Okay. So punya rencana mau ke Indonesia lagi kapan?
Maybe next year or
Next
maybe well, no, soon. Hopefully. Hopefully.
Okay. So Iqbal kan sekarang 19 years old, right?
Yeah.
If someday you'll get married, okay? If someday, I don't know, you prepare to marry Indonesian girl or Western people?
I don't really care who it is, to be honest.
Alright.
But
Not yet.
yeah, but
Alright.
I just hope their beliefs are in line with my beliefs.
Okay, so one religion.
Yeah.
It's the first and the only one condition.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
But skin color, race. I mean,
it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter to
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, that's good.
As long as I enjoy being with them, that's all that really matters to me.
Wow. Iqbal anak keberapa sih? I mean, how many kids your parents have?
Oh, 3.
3.
I'm the oldest, and then,
Okay.
I have a brother 2 years younger than me, and then I have another brother who's 4 years younger than me.
So all brothers,
Yeah. Well, my mom wanted a girl, but
all boys. I mean,
yeah,
no girls.
yeah, no girls.
Okay.
But my mom wanted a girl though, really badly. But
All right. Okay. So Iqbal nih mau kuliah masih lama nggak?
I have 2 years left, and then I'm all set.
Okay. Thank you. And you gonna take your master or looking for a job after a bachelor degree?
Probably gonna look for a job after my bachelor's degree.
Okay. Here, New Hampshire, or
Just anywhere, honestly.
anywhere?
Try to get like an internship and try to see more of the world.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you open your mind to go around the world?
Yeah.
Not only in America.
Yeah.
So it could be Asia, could be Europe, and everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. Wow. Wah, teman-teman, ini jarang-jarang banget ya kita ketemu sama anak Indonesia yang bisa kita ajak ngobrol gitu ya. Pola pikirnya seperti apa sih gitu ya. Dan ternyata mereka merasa lebih Amerika, teman-teman. Karena mereka lahir besar di sini, teman-temannya di sini, budayanya budaya di sini gitu ya. Jadi pola pikir mereka juga ya memang ya kita nggak bisa salahin mereka gitu ya. Kalau mereka lebih merasa orang Amerika dibanding orang Indonesia gitu loh. Soalnya memang lahir besar di sini, teman-teman di sini, pergaulan di sini, dan semua influence ya dari sini gitu ya. Tapi ya tetap. Anyway, you bangga nggak sih Iqbal jadi orang tua yang orang Indonesia? You proud of your Indonesian blood
Oh
or
yeah,
not?
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very sweet to hear that, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. So Iqbal, thank you banget ya buat obrolannya
Yeah,
Iqbal ya.
of course. It was
You-
nice to talk to y'all.
Oh ya, dia bilang senang banget bisa ngobrol sama teman-teman semua gitu ya.
Yeah.
Iqbal punya Instagram.
Yeah. You can follow me on Instagram.
Oke.
One Iqbal Karim. So one
One-
U
one- Well, okay.
Yeah. Well, so like number one,
One.
QBAL, Karim, KARIM.
Okay. No space, no underscore.
No underscore. It's all
Okay.
It's all one.
So teman-teman nanti akan saya mention di IG-nya Iqbal ya di layar konten ya. Jadi yang mau kenalan, mau lebih tahu tentang Amerika bisa langsung follow DM Iqbal. Tapi IG-nya angka 1 terus Iqbal QBAL terus KARIM. That's correct. 1 QBAL and then KARIM. Right?
It's a Q after the one.
Q after yeah. 1 QBAL KARIM.
Yep.
Alright. Ya teman-teman, jadi IG-nya itu angka 1 terus QBAL terus Karim biasa. Jadi 1 QBAL Karim KARIM. Nanti saya mention di layarnya ya. Oke Iqbal, ini udah.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we almost get your house, right? Thank you so much. Oke teman-teman, ini udah mau nyampe rumahnya Iqbal juga. Ini hari ini tanggal 17 Januari 2026. Salju baru aja berhenti. Kita langsung antar Iqbal pulang ya. Oke teman-teman, thank you banget sudah nonton kita. Jangan lupa follow Iqbal, jangan lupa DM Iqbal yang mau tahu tentang American life, American style, American mindset, bisa langsung tanya sama Iqbal. Oke, cuma Iqbal tidak bisa bahasa Indonesia teman-teman, so harus pakai bahasa Inggris nanyanya ya. Oke, tetap sehat, tetap semangat, jangan pernah menyerah, jangan pernah menyerah, jangan pernah menyerah, jangan takut bermimpi. Setiap masa ada waktunya, setiap waktu ada masanya. Proud of Indonesia.
Yep.
Iqbal juga yang lahir besar di sini juga proud of Indonesia teman-teman. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya dan Iqbal, ciao. Assalamualaikum, bye. Oke Iqbal, pas banget nih sambil punya Iqbal nih.
Alright. Thank you
Alright.
so much.
Oh, thank you so much. Salam buat orang tua ya. Say hello to your father. Regards.
Of course.
Hopes. Okay, well.
Alright.
Alright. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teman-teman.
See you guys later.
See you guys. Okay. Ini rumahnya Iqbal, teman-teman.
Oh.
Alright.
Alright. See you guys. Bye.
Thanks, Iqbal. See you
Of course.
tomorrow.
See ya. Bye.
You work tomorrow?
Yeah.
Alright. But we have a different shift, right?
I work in the morning. Yeah.
7-Eleven. I have a 6 to 2.
Alright.
Alright. Take
Alright.
care.
I like 'em.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.